Okay, finally again, we have to prove or disprove the third part of example 4, which says B complement union B complement minus A complement is equal to B. I'm going to be doing a proof with an algebraic method. So again, I'm going to start with the left-hand side, which is B complement union B complement minus A and everything complement. Okay, I would like to prove eventually that this is equal to B. So I'm going to start with the very first thing, which is this minus here. I'm going to get rid of the minus and turn it into an intersection with rule number 12. Okay, at this point, I'm going to take the complement that is on the outside of the parentheses and give it to everybody inside. So I'm going to have B complement complement intersect with B complement, intersect A complement, and then complement one more time. So the C that was on the outside ends up being these two C's and then intersection in the middle. Okay, so this is true by De Morgan's law, which is rule number 9. Okay, so now we've got double complements on the first letter B. So double complement, that's gonna be rule number 6, which makes it just regular B. This is by rule 6. And everything else is gonna stay the same for now. So this is now B complement, intersect A complement, and then C on the outside. Okay, so I always like to do one step per line. This way everything stays organized and I'm not making accidents or silly mistakes. Now, I'm gonna take the C that is on the outside and give it to the letters on the inside. So it's gonna say B intersect with B complement, complement again, union A complement, and then complement again. Okay, this is true by De Morgan's law. If I have a C on the outside, it could be given to the letters inside, and the intersection sign gets flipped and turned into a union. Okay, this is rule number 9, De Morgan, which now allows me to do, the double complement law again to write B complement complement as B, and then A complement complement as regular old A. This is true by the double negation or double complement law. Now, if you take a look at rule number 10, the absorption law, rule number 10 says if your first letter matches the first letter in the parentheses, and you have opposite, intersection, and union, if you have opposite signs, basically, then you are allowed to erase the whole thing and replace it just with the first letter. This was called absorption law. This is rule number 10 by rule 10. And keep in mind that this is exactly what the right-hand side equals to. So that means that the left-hand side, B complement, union B complement minus A, everything complement is equal to B. So that means we are finished with the problem, QED.